Online Tools Binary to Octal. Our free online binary to octal converter, online tool which are easy to use. And will make you free from the complicated calculation of converting the numbers manually. Select or copy the binary number that you want to convert into octal. In the binary input area, enter the binary numbers or simply paste numbers into a box. Then click on Converter button. Within a few seconds the converter will show you the desired result. In just one click you can share, download and copy the results. If you click the button Clear, it refreshes the page and you can use other input instantly. For more awesome tools please visit eternitech.com/online tools.